Welcome to another Goodwin English video lesson. My name is Randy League, and today we are going to practice our English listening skills. Welcome everyone to another Goodwin English lesson. Today, we are going to do some beginning listening practice. Today's conversation is mostly about making requests. During the listening practice, I will only play the recordings of the conversations. I will not show you the transcripts. At the end of the lesson, I will play the conversations and show you the transcript so you can read and check everything. Before we start, we publish new videos almost every day, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to learn about our latest videos. In today's conversation, two people are talking about a party they will attend. One man wants the other man to help him so he can go to the party. He is making many requests. Before we listen to the conversation, let's take a look at some vocabulary that we need to know. Play baseball. Pick up his friends. Do his math homework. Take him shopping. Go to a movie. Take your picture. Lend him money. Check his English homework. Babysit his brother. Call his friends. Okay, let's start. In our first exercise, you will listen to a conversation and then write down any of the things that Mike asked Simon to do. Let's listen to an example.
It's going to be a terrific party Friday night, huh, Mike?
Yeah, but I have a million things to do before the party.
Is there anything I can do?
Well, yeah, maybe. You think you could take me shopping tonight?
I guess so.
Here, Mike asked Simon, "Could you take me shopping tonight?" So let's write down, "take him shopping." Okay, just like that. Good luck.
It's going to be a terrific party Friday night, huh, Mike?
Yeah, but I have a million things to do before the party.
Is there anything I can do?
Well, yeah, maybe. You think you could take me shopping tonight?
I guess so.
Great. Pick me up around 7. And, oh yeah, can you lend me $20 or $30?
No problem. I have about $50.
50 is good, Simon. Thanks.
And later, could you possibly pick up Gina and Tim and Gwen and Julia and Brian?
Well, it's a small car, but I'd be happy to.
And listen, I don't have time to do that math homework, so I was wondering if you could somehow do a page or two for me?
I wish I could, but I really have a lot of homework and...
Okay, never mind. But would you mind checking my English homework?
Not at all. Tonight I have to do my English homework and...
Are you free tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Would it be possible for you to watch my brother, Tommy, for an hour or two? I'm supposed to babysit after lunch, but...
I'm afraid I have baseball practice all afternoon and...
Baseball practice? But how can I get ready for the party if you can't do anything for me?
Now let's go over the answers. As we heard in the conversation, Mike asked Simon to do a lot of different things. Let's take a look at those. Take him shopping, lend him money, pick up his friends, do his math homework, check his English homework, babysit his brother. Now we will listen to the same conversation again. This time, I want you to listen carefully and check which things Simon agrees to do.
Well, yeah, maybe. You think you could take me shopping tonight?
I guess so.
Great.
Here we see that Simon agrees to take Mike shopping. So in your notebook, you should write, agree, take him shopping. Listen to the conversation.
It's going to be a terrific party Friday night, huh, Mike?
Yeah, but I have a million things to do before the party.
Is there anything I can do?
Well, yeah, maybe. You think you could take me shopping tonight?
I guess so.
Great. Pick me up around 7. And, oh yeah, can you lend me $20 or $30?
No problem. I have about $50.
50 is good, Simon. Thanks.
And later, could you possibly pick up Gina and Tim and Gwen and Julia and Brian?
Well, it's a small car, but I'd be happy to.
And listen, I don't have time to do that math homework, so I was wondering if you could somehow do a page or two for me?
I wish I could, but I really have a lot of homework and...
Okay, never mind. But would you mind checking my English homework?
Not at all. Tonight I have to do my English homework and...
Are you free tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Would it be possible for you to watch my brother, Tommy, for an hour or two? I'm supposed to babysit after lunch, but...
I'm afraid I have baseball practice all afternoon and...
Baseball practice? But how can I get ready for the party if you can't do anything for me?
Let's go over the answers. From the first exercise, we learned that Mike asked Simon to take him shopping, lend him money, pick up his friends, do his math homework, check his English homework, and babysit his brother. But which of these things did he say he would do? Well, he agreed to take him shopping, lend him money, pick up his friends, check his English homework. He said that he couldn't do his math homework and babysit his brother. Okay, this is the last exercise. You will listen to the conversation one more time. This time, I want you to write down why he can't do some of the things. Good luck. Listen to the conversation.
It's going to be a terrific party Friday night, huh, Mike?
Yeah, but I have a million things to do before the party.
Is there anything I can do?
Well, yeah, maybe. You think you could take me shopping tonight?
I guess so.
Great. Pick me up around 7. And, oh yeah, can you lend me $20 or $30?
No problem. I have about $50.
50 is good, Simon. Thanks.
And later, could you possibly pick up Gina and Tim and Gwen and Julia and Brian?
Well, it's a small car, but I'd be happy to.
And listen, I don't have time to do that math homework, so I was wondering if you could somehow do a page or two for me?
I wish I could, but I really have a lot of homework and...
Okay, never mind. But would you mind checking my English homework?
Not at all. Tonight I have to do my English homework and...
Are you free tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Would it be possible for you to watch my brother, Tommy, for an hour or two? I'm supposed to babysit after lunch, but...
I'm afraid I have baseball practice all afternoon and...
Baseball practice? But how can I get ready for the party if you can't do anything for me?
Let's go over the answers. From the previous exercise, we know that Simon said he couldn't do two things. He couldn't do Mike's math homework, and he couldn't babysit Mike's brother. Why? He said that he couldn't do Mike's math homework because he has a lot of homework himself. He said that he couldn't babysit Mike's brother because he had baseball practice. Now, let's listen to the conversation one last time. But this time, let's read the transcript while we listen.
It's going to be a terrific party Friday night, huh, Mike?
Yeah, but I have a million things to do before the party.
Is there anything I can do?
Well, yeah, maybe. You think you could take me shopping tonight?
I guess so.
Great. Pick me up around 7. And, oh yeah, can you lend me $20 or $30?
No problem. I have about $50.
50 is good, Simon. Thanks.
And later, could you possibly pick up Gina and Tim and Gwen and Julia and Brian?
Well, it's a small car, but I'd be happy to.
And listen, I don't have time to do that math homework, so I was wondering if you could somehow do a page or two for me?
I wish I could, but I really have a lot of homework and...
Okay, never mind. But would you mind checking my English homework?
Not at all. Tonight I have to do my English homework and...
Are you free tomorrow?
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Would it be possible for you to watch my brother, Tommy, for an hour or two? I'm supposed to babysit after lunch, but...
I'm afraid I have baseball practice all afternoon and...
Baseball practice? But how can I get ready for the party if you can't do anything for me?
Well, everyone, thank you for watching. I hope today's lesson was helpful. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like it, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, please click on the like button. My name is Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.